learning which we have started with the parts of speech. We have completed all the parts of speech with detail, and I have explained all of these. In this lesson, I will just review all the parts of speech which you have learned in the last videos. So let's start. Parts of speech. There are 9 parts of speech. First is noun, second is pronoun, third one is adjective, fourth is verb, adverb, conjunction, interjection, preposition and article. These were the parts of speech which we have learned in the previous videos. If you want to learn it in detail, you can visit my YouTube channel and you can get all the detail of these parts of speech. So, for more videos, for more information, you can watch my channel Tremendous Academy. Subscribe it, like it and share it. Allah Hafiz.